Jackson, editor at IT World Canada here. I'm here at the CES Unveiled event of CES Las Vegas. Not only are homes getting smarter, but so are cities. Here we have Climo, an air quality monitoring solution.
Climo monitors air quality using about 8 sensors. It measures about 10 parameters using these 8 sensors, which are particle matter sensors, which are gaseous sensors, which also have some temperature, pressure kind of sensors in it as well.
The city of Las Vegas, home of CES, is running a test pilot with Bosch's technology right now. It's powered in part by an Intel Core processor, and it comes with data monitoring dashboards. For IT World Canada, I'm Brian Jackson.